Hi guys, my name is Michael. So right now I'm going to show you how you can log into your side hustle account. So you click on login, then put in your password, then your email, or you can use the account. Just click on Google to log in. Login. So I'm in. After logging in, now if you want to check for your timetable, click here. You can see your time, your profile, and logout is here. If you want to check for your task or assignment, come here and click on these three lines. See? So click on task and quiz. Okay, so this is the task for this week. And this is the survey right here. I've taken mine already, so I can't show you that. So now, if you want to submit your assignment, come here under action. Come under action, then click on it. Okay, so you can even see the assignment written on top of here. So once you come down, you can see a place to put in your link that you get from CodePen. So let me show you from CodePen side. Let me go to CodePen. Okay, so CodePen, yeah, let's say you have done your coding. This side here is for HTML, here is for CSS, this place is for JavaScript. So now you just your coding and you want to copy the link and you look around, no link, just come up here and click save. After you click save, okay, once after you click save, now come down here again. You can see we have options that appear. We have delete, we have add to collection, we have fork and embed. Come here to share. Shares at this end. Click on it. So once you click on it, you see share to Twitter, share to Facebook, share on DEV. Come down here and click on this link. Once you click on the link, you see copied CodePen URL to clipboard. That's on your copied it now. Now go back to side hustle, then you paste it here. So I don't want to paste that because there's not, I didn't do anything there. So you paste it here. So this is the other one I did before. So you click submit tax. Once you click on submit tax, okay, it says override. Okay, I don't want to override what I've done, but so if I have not submitted my assignment before, it will say submitted. So that's how you submit your assignment. So let me show you how to submit assignment. Just repeat it again. I'll go back, click under action, you see edit tax, click on it, then you come to this side, paste your link from CodePen here, then click submit tax, and that's it. Now on the Telegram group, right now we're having an audio teaching. Come to your Telegram group and click up here. You see join, voice chat, join. So if I click on it, so right here on the class which is going on, if you want to join to this class, come up here, click join. Once you click join, you need to listen to what is going on in the class. So let me give you an example. Click. So you can see it here. and right here and all the other participants. So we have 100 and oh no, we have 124 now who are connected to
controls.
class. So this is how
And
you
the button controls
class.
the button controls
Okay. Thanks for
the
watching.
the
Subscribe.
dark gray button controls is the same thing as your input tag. Your input tag.